Alright guys, so today we're in the garage and we are going to do some updates. And we got some updates on the big door and small door. So let's go to the big door, and as we can see that these have nylon rollers now, or at least like the white ones. And when we go up there, that one has a big stem. If we go over there, this one has a gauche bracket. And that one also has a long stem all the way over there. But yeah, also new springs too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Go over here, springs got tightened up. Still same old 3500. And actually the 8550 is way smoother. So let's go over here. Shout out to Accurate Door for doing this amazing install. So we go right here. We'll run it up. Yeah, the soft stop is kind of like more abrupt now, so because of the springs. But yeah, we'll just run it back down. And there's a 3500. We'll run the 3500 up. And we'll run it back down. And we'll go over here and we'll disconnect the 3500 door. The 8550 door is more, not really more, but it's the same thing except kind of less. It still goes up, but it goes up a lot now. Like when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. So yeah, let's bring our ladder here to our release cord. Shoot. Then we'll go up and we'll disconnect. Hold on 1 second. Gotta make sure that's disconnected from the door. There we go. Now we got it. So we can just like lift it up now. And we'll put it out like right. It still kind of falls a little bit, but if you get up to it at like some point, it will stay like right here. No special effects. It actually stays, guys. And you can like probably lift it a little bit more. Oh, it's getting a little bit heavier. But it stays. Yep. So, what a miracle. And we'll put this back down. Still gotta be careful because it kind of slams to the ground a little bit. Oh, we'll just let it slam. But yeah, pretty cool. Well, let's reconnect it. Actually, no, let's do it. We'll do it running disconnected. Cause why not? And we'll run it back down. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.